My name is Greta Thunberg and I am from Sweden. If you see this video, we have been intercepted and kidnapped in international waters by the Israeli occupational forces or forces that support Israel. I urge all my friends, family and comrades to put pressure on the Swedish government to release me and the others as soon as possible.
Okay, everyone, phones need to go, please. Don't sit in the water, in the water. Only from children. Take this. We are taking everything down. Guys, anything that is sensitive needs to go down.
That one is another phone there.
You pay. Yeah, this phone is from just Cabernet. Signal was gone.
Call sign. Mike, Romeo, Alpha, Hotel, MMC number.
Yes, don't shoot.
32057
Okay, everyone, the interception is being calm until now. It's not escalating. It's okay.
Call sign. Mike, Romeo, Alpha, Hotel, 8. MMC number 2320. 5777. Condition 1 degree.
Calm down. Calm down, everyone. Calm down. Everything's gonna be alright. Calm down. Wait, hey! Please, go to your places, ditch their phones,
Okay, we are masking our face right now. We have quadcopters right above our heads, the most dangerous ones, and they are, I don't know what this is.
We don't see anyone coming.
We don't know what this is, if this is paint or some chemical. No idea, but please sound the alarm. They did say that they want to intercept us in a very calm way, but this is not what's happening. There is another war crime about to happen. We will keep you updated. Please put pressure on the governments. Tell them that we are here because they are aiding and abetting this genocide. They are upholding a illegal blockade. They're using starvation as a weapon of war. This cannot go on. We cannot live in a future like this. You need to do everything in your power. Use your bodies, use your voices. Amplify the voice of Palestinians. And do tell them that we are here because they're not doing their jobs.
Dronlarla tepemizden kimyasal bir madde yağdırıyorlar. Boya gibi kokuyor ama bilemiyorum. Uzun süredir sıvı akıtıyorlar. Gördüğünüz gibi her yer bembeyaz oldu. Şu an dünya buna sessiz kalamaz. Durmadılar hala bizimle. Quadcopter geldi ve tepemizden gördüğünüz gibi camları her yeri kapladı. Kokusu boya gibi ama ne olduğunu bilmiyoruz. Greta?
Everyone, we are under attack. Please sound the alarm. They're throwing a lot of substances and objects on us. Quadcopters, the most dangerous ones. Right now they're jamming our comms. They're saying random stuff just to jam our communication. They're doing this so that we cannot get help.
Where is he?
Bonjour à toutes et à tous, je m'appelle Rima Hassan, je suis franco-palestinienne, je suis à bord du navire humanitaire en direction de Gaza. Si vous voyez cette vidéo, c'est que nous avons été interceptés soit par l'État d'Israël, soit par des forces complices à l'État d'Israël. On compte sur votre mobilisation pour faire pression sur le gouvernement français pour notre libération.
The maritime zone of the coast of Gaza is closed to naval traffic as part of a legal naval blockade. If you wish to deliver humanitarian aid to the Gaza Strip, you are able to do so through the port of Ashdod via the established channels and distribution centers.